guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So you know by the title and the thumbnail, this is ABHIJA.
Hi.
So I have started this series makeover of my subscribers. So she's the first one and I know her from the beginning because she's my first giveaway winner. So I have created this beautiful simple look on her because she's very beautiful. So I didn't want to do any smoky eyes or heavy eye makeup. I did something beautiful, simple, and
I love it.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this beautiful look on her, then please keep on watching.
So for primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. For liquid highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Strobe Cream. And for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I'm mixing two shades here. One is 150 and the other one is 300. Now highlighting her face with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. For cream contour, I'm using the NYKAA foundation stick in the shade 07. Here I am setting her under eyes with the sugar translucent powder, and I'm also baking her under eyes with that. Now taking this shade from the PAC contour kit to bronze up her face. Also contouring her nose with the darker brown shade. Filling in her brows with this Sigma Brow Powder Duo. From this NYKAA blush palette, I'm taking this shade for her blush. Now dusting off her bake. And setting her face with the PAC setting spray. Eye makeup, I'm using this Aphrodite palette from Bad Habit. First taking this shade on her crease with the PAC 393 brush. Now taking this shade on her crease, also applying that on her outer corners with my MAC 217 brush. Taking the mixture of these two shades, I'm applying that on her eyelids. Again going back with the MAC 217 brush, I'm just blending out the crease. Applying the same crease shades on her lower lash line. And now with the black eyeshadow, I'm applying that on her upper lash line and smudging it in with the flat brush. Now applying some mascara. And now I'm applying falsies. This is by Pro Arte. Now intensifying her eyelids with the same eyeshadow combo. Applying some eyeliner to hide the lash band. Now applying the black eyeshadow on her lower lash line. For highlighter, I'm using the NYKAA highlighter duo. I'm mixing both the shades. And after that, just look at her smile. Applying the same highlighter on her inner corners and her brow bone. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm using the BODYSHOP liquid lipstick in the shade I forgot. So the products will be mentioned down below, so make sure you check that out.
So guys, this is the finished look. আমি জানি না ওর কেমন লেগেছে। I know ওর একটু ভালো লেগেছে, ও একটু বলতে পারে ভালো লেগেছে।
I love it. The glow, the face makeup, everything. I love it. And I'm really happy আমি আজকে এখানে আসতে পেরেছি, তোমার সাথে এখানে বসে মেকআপ করতে পেরেছি, তাই আমি প্রচন্ড হ্যাপি। প্লাস আমি 2 ঘন্টা জার্নি করে এখানে এসেছি অনেক কষ্ট করে, কিন্তু এখানে এসে I am really happy কারণ আমি ওর সাথে কখনো এত ক্লোজলি বসে গল্প করিনি। ইট ওয়াজ লাইক মিট অ্যান্ড গ্রিট টাইপের, খুব কম টাইমের জন্য দেখা হয়েছে, কিন্তু এখানে এসে অনেকক্ষণ বসেছি। কাকিমার সাথে দেখা হয়েছে, মানে সোহিনীর মা, তার সাথে দেখা হয়েছে, অ্যান্ড আই এম রিয়েলি হ্যাপি।
ইয়েস। সো তোমরা যদি এই সিরিজে পার্টিসিপেট করতে চাও, ডু ওয়ান থিং, আমি 2 উইনার্স চুজ করব। তো তোমাদের কি করতে হবে, একটা মেল পাঠাও বা ইনস্টাগ্রামে ডিএম করো যে তোমার নাম অ্যান্ড ইয়োর অ্যাড্রেস। মেক শিওর তোমরা কলকাতা থেকে, বিকজ আমি চাই না তোমাদের অনেক কষ্ট হোক। Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope you like this series, and if you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all.